Good morning, everybody. I don't know what language that was, but never mind. Bit overcast this morning, about 18 degrees, something around that. And today we are going to have a little wander down to Lambley Viaduct. Recommended to us by a good friend, Dave, who you've seen on the last couple of videos. So we're going to take a walk down here. Now we have just passed a sign saying due to falling masonry it is closed, but we're going to do the 20-minute walk to it from the car park anyway, and we'll find out when we get there. Well, and I just went off exploring then.
I thought you could see the river from there, but you can't, it's further over.
No.
Excuse me, Mr. Cameraman. Do you know what time the next train is?
Pardon?
Do you know what time the next train is?
Never.
What?
Never.
I've been stood on the platform for ages.
Well, that was a bit stupid, wasn't it?
Oh.
Well, hang about. I think I hear one coming.
Can I get on? Can I get on?
You're a wally.
So are you.
So am I. But never mind. Got to have a laugh in life, haven't you? Because if you don't, you die a sad old bastard like me. That's what we've come to see. But I think we might be a bit scuppered as to how far we can get, because there's now a fence across and a squirrel is just run in front of Janet. But as long as it's not raining, we've got a good chance. Oh, there again, there is a fence there, but
Someone's broke through the tape now, haven't they?
let's go. Janet's staying there. This is Lambley Viaduct. Now, if you don't see this video, then there's a good chance it's crumbled and I've gone all the way down to the bottom. But let's carry on for the minute. You can't really see it from up here, apart from that. Well, we made it to the viaduct, and if you're seeing this, it hasn't crumbled under my weight and I'm fallen to the abyss below. Aren't you lucky? But we're finally nearly at the other end of it, where you'll not be able to go any further, because there's a gate at this end as well. Just here. Now, we did see a guy walk along with a dog, but he must live on the other side of this. He must have a key for the lock. Either that, or else he went down here. Did he go down here? We can go down here and go to the footbridge. I'm going down here and we'll get another view of the...
You know when I was waiting for the train?
Yeah. It's the one due?
Yeah, 1976.
Oh, right. Newcastle and Carlisle Railway.
Yeah, don't come this way anymore.
No.
I've been on that train.
What? It hasn't come along here.
If it comes, I'll let you know.
Right, I'm going to go down here
Yeah, it is.
Can do.
I'll meet you at the gate.
What's that?
I'll meet you at the gate.
You're going that way.
I'm going that way.
You're going back over the unsafe structure.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to be brave.
I'll not be able to run round and catch you if it.
It's fine. I'll take my chances.
Right.
That's solid. I can grab hold of that.
Right. It's not going anywhere. Right. We'll go this way. We're going to go to the footbridge and I'm going to show you. I know you've seen a picture with the drone. Oh, I've put some drone footage up for you. Oh, we're going this way. I mean, it seems pretty solid enough to me. Why they would stop foot traffic, I've no idea. Because it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. But I'm not a structural engineer. Oh look, there's Janet. Oh, there's a bit crumbling there. There's a bit on the archway there that's crumbling a little bit. There she is, say, hello. Right. We're going this way. We shall go this way. Go to the footbridge and have a look from down below. It's exciting stuff, this, isn't it? Riveting stuff. This will keep you engaged. So keep you watching. Am I going to make it to this footbridge? Stay tuned to find out. Footpath is being eroded, quite possibly when the river swells up, and if it gets up here, it's coming up pretty high really. I mean, there's a guy fishing over there, right? He's fly fishing. Now, from the top of the viaduct, you can see into the water, into the river. There's no fish in it. So, I don't think he's going to catch anything. Now, walking across the footbridge, I've just seen why they closed it. I'll stick a picture in. I just took a picture of it. Yeah, that's why they've called it an unsafe structure. I'd like to thank everybody who's watched the video. And if you've made it to the end, thanks. Really appreciate it. But for now, I'm walking along the footpath to meet up with Janet. We went back across the viaduct. And we'll see you in the next one.